Hi guys, welcome back to another video. I don't know, it's Dems here. Today with another Vlogmas for you guys, day number 11, guys. Thank you so much for clicking on this, the first video. Subscribe if you're new. Smash a like and definitely leave a comment. All the returning subscribers, bless upon yourself. Thank you guys so much for coming back to another video. On the road today, just doing some business, just matching up some stuff. Malika around there so fast asleep-ish. And Malia behind me asleep, and that's just some little shopping about the place. Yeah guys, today's video is really just some random stuff, and I want to just just touch base with you guys a little bit. So I did went on the road earlier today, looked at an apartment for a friend, and we did take a video, so I'll just screech that in right here. This is the one. Yeah, not a video as well.
The washroom. This is bigger and spacious and nicer.
So as you come through the door, you have a
Malika, leave the button.
Right? Then you have your washer and dryer room. Bro, this one is much
better.
Nicer. This is the one.
Sleeve the fire.
This is the one. This is the one.
And then,
the one you guys have to take.
Yeah, this one is better.
Everything. So
sink.
this one is really nice.
I prefer this one.
I love this one. This is two bedroom, one bathroom, same.
Same, but it's much better.
But the layout different. The layout different and everything more better. Yeah.
And this is the balcony.
Oh.
It's not a balcony door, it's just a door.
We love this one.
Yeah.
This is what they're gonna take. So
This is the one they're gonna take?
yeah.
We're recommending to take this
This is
one.
what I'm definitely recommending for them to take. Absolutely.
This is like, yeah, they redid all the painting, the floor is brand new too as well.
Yeah, I can see.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's nice. So.
Oh, the bathroom is nice.
The room is nice. And
Yeah, we've been in nursery for a while, you know it is. Yeah, bro, I'm not thinking, but not a video it as well, you know, so I don't see it fully, see me.
MJ.
So they'll have nobody above them and nobody beside them.
Oh, no one above and no one beside?
Yeah, just on that side of the house.
Ask them what kind of detail they want to look for. Because we look for different things.
Yeah guys, what do you think about that apartment? I think the second one we went into, the second one, which was the one that you guys just saw, is the one that I liked. I think they could have improved a little bit on the appliances, but you know, it's a starter kit and it is not that bad. So definitely we'll work with suggest that they work with that one and stuff like that. If you guys are ever coming to Grand Prairie, by the way, and you need somebody to look around for you guys, help you guys find an apartment or anything like that, you can definitely reach out to us, and Nats and myself will be more than happy to, you know, make the link, make the connection, and definitely make your transition smoother than what our transition was. All right, guys, smash a like if it is that you guys like, is that something that you guys would be interested in, or in fact that you guys really like that we are offering that service free of charge, by the way. Yeah, guys, so what I really wanted to talk to you about guys, is not the importance but the benefit of shopping in a thrift store. So many persons coming to Canada already have a notion or a mindset in mind that, listen, oh, me not shop in a thrift store, me not wear nobody wear and left, or oh, me not buy no used furniture or this and that and stuff like that. What I would like to say about that is, listen, change your mindset. Change your mindset, change your mindset, change your mindset. Unless you're fully loaded and you can afford to be as splurgeous as you want, if that's even a word, or if it is that money is not an issue for you. But for the average person who is migrating, listen, Canada is a very expensive country. It's very expensive to live in Canada, guys. I'm not growing up Canada. Like, it's very, very expensive. And as a new immigrant, especially if it is that you either just start work or you don't start work yet, listen, guys, you have to be very, very smart. And the best way, or I can suggest to you guys, is to listen. Be as economical as you can, right? Be as economical as you can. And yeah, shopping in a thrift store is definitely economical. And I know that probably a thrift store in probably a country like Jamaica don't necessarily sell like the best of the best. And it maybe sell stuff that persons might find or call a little bit riffraff. But you know what, guys? Thrift store here in Canada is totally different. You have very, very good stuff. You have new stuff, and you have stuff that has never been worn by anybody before at a very, very reasonable cost, right? And the other cultures that migrate to Canada love shopping in a thrift store. The Filipinos, the Indians and stuff like that, they go to the different thrift stores and them get them winter gears, them get them stuff that they need, and it really and truly help them save and, you know, advance quicker. But most persons migrating from the Caribbean have a mindset that, oh, thrift store is the meaning and them not shop at a thrift store and stuff like that. I'm kind of disagree with that. So which is why I might do that video here right now, just for reason with you guys and say, listen, it's not always sunshine and roses when they move to a new country. Migrating to a new country comes with challenges and just a brand new total outlook on life, right? So in order to make your transition easier, guys, please be as open and be as willing and be as flexible as possible, guys. That's all I can tell you, you know, because here again, at the end of the day, don't just look on now, look on the future, and look on the fact that you guys are investing in the future. That's what you're doing. And even though you might be in a thrift store now shopping and buying like whatever you need in a thrift store now, it don't necessarily mean say you have to go do it forever and ever and ever. After you're here for a few months or probably even a few years, and you know you're stable and you can go through and whatever, then you can start not going here again and going different places and things like that. But my advice would be open. Be open. Especially if it is that you guys are moving to an apartment, and your first apartment, or you know you're not having a family to stay with and you're just a common, you know, stuff like that. Listen, be open to buying used furniture as well. Don't come with the same mindset for say, oh, me nah buy nothing when nobody use already and stuff like that. Listen, guys, be open. That's one of the best advice I can give you guys. Be open. No, me not say everybody have to go do it, you know, because everybody's circumstance is different. And some persons might say, oh, but me not need to do that because you know, I have, you know, stacks. Or you have family member and friends who probably willing and able to, you know, foot your financial bill adequately. But for the average person, guys, I'm telling you this, start a kit. Don't look on it like there's anything wrong with it. It's just a starter kit, guys. Whatever you can buy, use in good condition, buy it. Save your money as much as possible. Saving is very important, guys. Save your money as much as possible. And my day is right now, I'm gonna play with you guys, because at the end of the day, we came and we are now in a I'd say a stable position. But you know what, guys, we still got a thrift store. We still look if there's any deal anywhere and stuff like that, because at the end of the day, guys, it's all about finding the right deals. It's all about finding the right you know, the right price, because at the end of the day, guys, it's very, very, very important to save, and the transition can be hampered, stifled, and also delayed if it is that you don't have the right mindset. So what I'm trying to tell you guys is that it's all about the mindset. Be open to it and be, you know, willing to do it. And me not even suggest you to do it. You understand? Yeah. So what do you guys think about shopping in a thrift store? Have any of you guys ever migrated to Canada or to another country? What is your experience? Have any of you guys have any like bad experiences, like buying stuff and it's not good? Or any of you guys have very good experiences like buying and getting good deals? Drop it in the comment section. I'm really excited to hear your stories, because I think our journey can definitely benefit other person's journey. And I'm really, really, really hoping that persons share their experiences, guys, because it's all about that. It's all about us who have gone through the channel already sharing our experience, so that other persons who are coming through the door can have an idea what to expect and definitely make their transition easier. Now, Canada is one of many countries, guys. If you have migrated to another country, what is your experience? What is it like? What was it like migrating? Definitely drop it down in the comment section. I'm really excited to hear what you guys have to say about your journey, about your experience, and just definitely, you know, just all our vibes with everybody and stuff like that. So right now, I look some more Christmas decoration, but then I park in like for a little while now, kind of hungry. Malika asleep, Malia asleep. It's now 4:15 and out of door is getting very dark. It's turning night-ish. You're not gonna really see it still unless you're outside, but yeah, it's getting really dark and stuff like that. A little more from now, in a few hours, my office have a Christmas party thing. I'm on the social committee, so I figure I don't really want to go still, but I figure I was thinking of an excuse, because I don't know, say I'm a homebody now these days. I just love being home with my family and stuff like that. It's really, really fun, and you know, relaxing, especially in the Saturday evening. If we go put on clothes and rough, but at the end of the day, I'm gonna push out definitely. Yeah, anyway, that's all the reason, as Mr. guys. Live Q&As, guys. So last Sunday there wasn't any live Q&A because we had just moved and we were just super tired, guys. I'm being very honest, like it was just rough. We never get to do that. Hopefully we get to do it tomorrow, which is Vlogmas day number 12. Yeah, hopefully we get to do a Q&A with you guys. Of course, if you're new to our channel, we do Canadian content, and our Q&As is centered around migrating to Canada, especially as an international student, because that's the road that we're taking. I came as an international student, I've graduated and all of them lovely stuff, and I'm now working full-time. We don't know the story, we don't know the story, we don't know the journey, we don't know all of them things there. You understand? Yeah, smash a like, guys, on this video. Vlogmas day number 12 in the bag. See you guys. Sorry, Vlogmas day number 11. Why am I rushing Vlogmas? Vlogmas day number 11 in the bag. But before we're done, guys, I just want to just say one last thing. I promise you, one last thing. If you guys are thinking of migrating, do it. I know the process is hard. I know the process is very difficult, but it is worth it. Listen, guys, don't give up. Don't give up on a dream. Don't give up on a goal, and just be firm, be willing, and just be as receptive as possible. We don't know everything. No one knows everything, right? Rely on other person's wisdom, other person's experience, and definitely let that shape you, right? Willing to learn, unlearn, and relearn, guys. I'm always saying that slow progress is better than no progress. Put your best foot forward, give it every single thing you have, and then even if it don't work out, you don't have no regrets, because you can say, oh, I gave it every single thing I had. Do not go in 50% and then when it don't work out, you say, boy, Jano style, it never work out. Give it every single thing you have. And if anybody is thinking of migrating to Canada, especially to the province of Alberta, definitely reach out to me. Definitely touch base with me. I'm willing to share whatever experience I have. Remember, now I'm no immigration consultant, no immigration lawyer, none of them things, but I've been through the process, researched the process, help people with the process, and definitely have a fair understanding of the process. All right, guys? So if it is that you have any questions, concerns, or any tips and traits or whatever you want to know, definitely reach out to me, guys. And yeah, I'll be absolutely willing to share my experiences with you guys. All right, guys? Smash a like on this video. Vlogmas day number 11. See you guys tomorrow. Little more.